Hey, Shalom. I just wanted to drop on really quick and let you all know that I have decided to lock my hair. I've been looking at locks for the last 3 years, and even when I was on my loose natural hair journey, I've always loved locks, but I really started looking at them for myself the last 3 years, and I am getting older, and I just don't want to do my hair any longer. And I know that you have to maintain your locks, but what I mean is that I don't have to do my hair so much and worry about shedding and breakage and all of those things. And my hair is a pretty decent length, 18 to 20 inches. It may have been a little longer. I didn't really do a really great length check, but about 18 to 20 inches. And I'm like, why not? I really love the sister lock look. Tunisia Ali, when I seen her locks, I was like, that's it. I really like the sister lock look. And even though I do not have sister locks, I want to stress, I do not have sister locks. I love the look of the smaller locks because you could curl them, you could do, just a lot of styles with them. And I know that you can do styles with traditional locks also, but I just like the look and the lightweight feeling of the smaller locks. So I am in the process of even breaking these down just a little bit more. And I'll do a video on what kind of grid I did, which is not really a grid, and just go into more detail. But yes, this is my second natural hair journey, lock journey, and I am really loving it. I'm really loving it. The freedom of the locks, I'm just loving it. And I know that now that my hair is in locks, it's going to take off even more, so I can't wait to see how long it can get. For me personally, once my hair gets to probably waist length locked, I'll probably be done letting it grow, because that might be even a little bit too long for me, because again, I'm getting older. I'm about to enter into menopause, and I want to get a handle on that because I don't want to be taking medications. I want to kind of continue to keep myself healthy, because I'm pretty healthy. I went to the doctor recently, and I am pretty healthy. As a matter of fact, the doctor said my blood work looked like a teenager. So I want to stay that way. I don't want to focus on this next phase of my life, going into menopause, what that means, enjoying life, traveling. I want to go to Africa. So all of those things help me to really seal the deal with locking my hair. So when I'm traveling and I'm going and I'm doing things, my hair is always done. It's always looking good. I have the length that I worked so hard to get, and I'm just loving it. And I will be doing more natural hair videos. I have my oldest daughter who hair is at waist length now. I have my youngest daughter who is 2 years natural, and her hair is thriving. So I'll be doing videos on their hair and what I use to take care of their hair, as well as my lock journey, because I have tons of questions. I know you guys may have tons of questions, and we could go on this journey together, and let me know what questions you have so that I can try to answer them, find the answer. I'm still researching. I'm still trying to understand the different types of locks and what that means. But right now, I'm loving my locks. As I stated earlier, I'm going to break them down even more, and I'm just going to enjoy the journey. So stay tuned for more videos, and I hope you join me on journey number 2, my lock journey. All right, shalom everyone.